Hello and welcome to Zamiras Sweet Tooth.
Today we are catching fish with a net. He's got a kitchen net. He's got a kitchen net. But today we're catching some fish.
I already catch them.
We've already caught some stuff. The water's a little dirty, but if you show the camera on the bottom, they can see everything. That's all I caught. And we're gonna try to catch more stuff. There's like this really hot spot where everything is.
Yeah, bro. And I've got slime.
It's poopy.
And it's hot.
What? I need you to hold your
The
net.
fish pooped in my hand.
Zahad, come here. Hold your net like this, okay? Hold your net up. Don't drop it, okay? I'm gonna have to clean out the water. Come on, put 'em in. Now we're gonna go catch some fish.
Sorry, Mommy. Oh. These rocks hurt.
Wait.
I'm trying to catch some fish. I am trying to catch something.
Got you! Yes!
Is it an axolotl?
Bucket. Wait. Oh, hello there. I caught two! But I caught two fish. I caught two fish.
Fish.
I was like, I caught two.
We can eat it.
No. Two fish. Let's go. I'm gonna bring the bucket back. Let's see what this does.
Hi, Mommy.
Your bubble gum. Your bubble gum. You have bubble gum? Oh, bubble gum.
My slime fell.
The slime fell.
Look at the result. I dropped my slime. Not again.
I got a fish! Yeah. Come here, you got axolotl! Oh, it's huge!
Axolotl!
No, don't touch it. Look how big that is.
Oh, that's huge.
The thing is big. That's an axolotl. Dude, I thought it was a fish. I got two big fish, one axolotl. That's awesome. That's an axolotl. That's so big too. Why I'm so excited about axolotls because they cost so much money. And because she... No, okay, so the reason I'm so happy we got an axolotl was because one time, long time ago, we caught an axolotl. We took it home. I had its tank in the morning. I was cleaning its tank out. My sister woke up. She came. I put it in a bottle. I told her, don't try to grab the axolotl. I'm cleaning out the tank. My back is against her back, like not actually, but she dumps the water into her hand. It slips out the crack of her hand and it's gone into the sink. So yeah, that's why we're so excited.
That's why we're so happy. This is poison ivy. Action time. Action time.
Oh, dude!
Don't say you call it axolotl.
Not an axolotl. Not better, but come here, buddy. We already have one at home from here, but crocodile.
Crawdad.
That's what I call it, a crocodile.
Stop calling them crocodile. Playing with my slime and it was super loopy. And then it slipped out of my hands like the axolotl did. Look, so it slipped out and then went on the ground. And this is the results of it. Prettiness. Let's go to the park, okay? This is I bought Kit Kats. I got Kit Kats.